Hello friends, welcome back to Online Maths Hub. We're going to be solving this equation right there on the board. Okay, so what we have is root x plus y is equal to 7, and then x plus root y is equal to 11. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is just to subtract the two equations. So if I do that, what I'm going to be having is root x minus x, okay, and of course plus root y minus root y is equal to 7 minus 11. Next, I bring those ones that have roots together. So I'm going to be having minus x plus y, then plus root x minus root y is equal to 7 minus 11 is minus 4. And then I can write this as x minus y, okay, plus root x minus root y equals to minus 4. So I can actually write it as root x all raised to power 2 minus root y all raised to power 2. Okay, and then of course I repeat this. Root x minus root y is equal to minus 4. Okay, so I will use the expression for the difference of two squares to expand this. Okay, so but before then, let me just write this. So let me write this one first. Root x minus root y, okay, minus root x squared minus root y squared equal to minus 4. Okay, then let me expand this. I have root x minus root y, and then minus, if I expand this, I'm going to be having root x minus root y, then multiply by root x plus root y equal to minus 4. Okay, so you can see I can factorize root x minus root y. If I do that, root x minus root y, if I factorize it here, I have 1, and then what is remaining here is minus root x minus root y, okay, equal to minus 4. So what I'm going to do is just to multiply through by minus, so that these 4 will change to positive. So if I do that, I'm going to be having root x minus root y. Okay, so the minus on this side is actually going to affect this side. So I'm going to be having root x plus root y minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, so you can see here that I have the product of two terms, which is equal to 4. So the two terms I'm having is root x minus root y, and then the second term is root x minus root y minus 1. So here the product is equal to 4. So what does that really tells us? And so for that to happen, either this one is equal to 4 and then this one becomes 1, or this one is equal to 2 and then this one will also be equal to 2, or either this one will be equal to 1 and then the second term becomes 4. Okay, so these are the possible cases, and then solving it from here, I can just go ahead to subtract the two equations from here. So root x minus root x is 0. Okay, so this is plus from here, Then this minus this is actually going to be giving us negative 2 root y plus 1 is equal to this minus this will be equal to 3, and then 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Okay, so I'll subtract 1 from both sides, so I have negative 2 root 2, 2 root y, sorry, this is y, 2 root y is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and then minus 3 minus 1 will be equal to minus 4. Okay, then I can go ahead to divide through by negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, and then of course negative 2. So that I'm going to be having that root y is equal to, so this is negative 1, and this is 1 over 2, and of course this is equal to 2. Okay, so at this point I am actually going to leave all these ones and pick this. So if I do that, root y is equal to 2, which implies here that y is equal to 4. Okay, so this is the value for y which we've got. And so for us to get the value for x, there are two ways we can actually do that. Is either we come over here and replace the value for y, or we come to this side and then we add the two equations. Okay, so let me just go ahead to add the two equations right here. So root x plus root x, let me draw it here. Root x plus root x will give me 2 root x, and then this plus this is 0, and then I'm left with minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, plus 1 here is 5, and then 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 plus 4 is 5. So I will still add negative 1 to both sides. If I do that, what I'm going to be having is 5 plus 1, which is 6, and then 4 plus 1, 5, and 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, so divide through by 2, divide through by 2. So at this point, this cancels this. Root x is equal to, so I'm going to be having 3 or 5 over 2. Okay, so continuing from here, I'm going to pick 3 right here, and so root x is equal to 3. This of course imply that x is equal to 9. Okay, so we've got here that x is equal to 9, and then of course y is equal to 4. So we want to find out whether these two values of x and y will satisfy. So to do that, let's pick our question. What we have is root x plus y is equal to 7. Okay, and then of course x plus root y is equal to 11. So on this side, let's put x equal to 9 here. I have root 9 plus 4, and obviously you see that this is 3 plus 4, that's equal to 7, so this satisfies. And then our x is 9, so I have 9 plus root 4. Okay, so I have 9 plus 2, root 4 is actually 2, and obviously is equal to 11. So that shows that the values for x and y which we've got as a solution satisfies the problem we are solving. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you've got any value in the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification icon so that whenever we release new content, you will actually get to know about it. And of course, if you have any questions, do drop it in the comment box and I will surely get back to you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.